let them know I got that smoke to make your mind lose control.